Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yemi Sound. So if you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button down there to get the channel going. So today I will show you guys how to find the key of a song very fast instead of doing this whole stuff. Right, I'm going to show you guys a very quick way. Let's look around the key of F sharp now, for example. And they are singing tiny banana. And you want to look for this key. What you will do, just hit one note. Okay, now let's just take for example. Now I know the key is F sharp, but while the singer is singing normally, I don't know the key. So let's say I hit a random key. Now I just hit the C sharp button. Now this button is actually the fifth note of the F sharp. So what you do is, to avoid hitting all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all those other long notes, just hit one note. That one note will lead you to your key. Now when I hit this note, it was sounding like the fifth. So due to experience and professional ear training, you notice that once you hit the fifth note, you just know the key exactly, which is okay. Let's say I didn't hit this C sharp. Now okay, let me hit another random key. Let's say okay, I just hit I hit the G sharp note. You see that this G sharp note is sounding like the 2 of the F sharp, which is the sound like the 2. So are you seeing it? Well, let's say we pick another note again. Let's say okay, we just randomly pick, let's say we pick the D sharp button, and the singer is singing on F sharp. Na 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 na. You notice that this note is similar to your key, and your ear will just tell you all of a sudden, okay, this is the sixth. So that's a very professional way to look for key. To have, instead of doing all this stuff, because this thing is actually not professional. So now for you to find a key professional way, you just wait, relax, and hear the singer sing. Just make sure your brain has already picked the key, then just hit one single note. You see that your single note is already on that key. If it's not on the key, it's going to be on the accidental. It's going to be on the accidental of that key. So you just from there, you trace the key with your ears to avoid doing. So the key to doing this is, guys, to have a very good ear. So good ear training. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.